Hi friends, this is Prabhu, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE from RMD Engineering College. And in this video, we are going to see about the characteristics of a transducer. So, before choosing a transducer, we should know about the characteristics of a transducer and we should know the performance characteristics of a transducer. Only then we can able to apply it for our specific applications. The first one, there are two major characteristics of a transducer. First one is to select the most suitable transducer while designing an instrumentation system. So, according to our need and purpose, we have to select our suitable transducers. And the second one is to indicate how well that instrument measures the desired input and rejects the spurious input or the undesired inputs. So, a transducer should not take all the input, it should take only the desired input and produce only the desired output. It should not take all the other things. So, these are the two main characteristics of a transducer. So, for this purpose, we are having two performance characteristics. We are going to discuss in this video about the static characteristics. Actually, there are two performance characteristics are available. One is the static characteristics and another one is the dynamic characteristics. So, as we all know, static refers to a constant or immovable or something like that. So, dynamic means it will be changing with respect to time. So, that is what being called as dynamic characteristics. So, first in this video we will be discussing about the static characteristics of an transducer. So, the static characteristics are a set of performance characteristics that describes the quality of measurement while the measurements are either constant or vary slowly. So, the measurement represents the thing which are going to get measured. Okay, so that is generally called as measurand. Say for example, if we are going to measure a length of a person, then or a height of a person, then the person is a measurand and he should be in a constant position. So if he is moving from one place to another, we could not able to measure it properly. So this is what being called as a static characteristics or a set of performance characteristics that describes the quality of measurement while the measurand are either constant or vary very slowly. So when they are constant, this static characteristics can be done. So simply if you want to say, both input and output are time invariant. So time invariant in the sense they are not going to change with respect to time. So that is what being called as time invariant. So these are the this is all about the static characteristics. And in this slide we will learn about how to obtain the static characteristics. So there are some parameters. There are actually totally 9 parameters which defines to obtain the static characteristics. So first one is static sensitivity, and second one is linearity, then accuracy, precision, stability, resolution and threshold, hysteresis, range and span, then input impedance and loading effect, and then so these are the 9 parameters which defines the static characteristics of an transducer. So all the static characteristics are obtained by one form or another by the process of static calibration. So static calibration is a needed one. So for that we want some 9 static characteristics. So this is all about static characteristics. Thank you.